Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see on your YouTube app notifications here and you also read all the notifications and you haven't received any messages, so how you can make disappear these notifications from your icon. So first thing, just try to open App Store, just go to search tab and in search just write YouTube. So after, just check if you have available updates for your YouTube app. So if you see here update, just tap on update and just update your app. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just go to the settings, also just close the app and reopen it. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down to here, you will see shutdown. So just tap on shutdown, and also slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you too, you just need to go back and just check your internet connection. So just check if you're using mobile data, just open mobile data, turn it off, wait a few seconds and just turn on. And if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to go back and just turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So, and if you still have this issue, so the latest way you can try, just make force restart on your phone. So it depends on the model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you in example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So on this model of iPhone you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button and just keep and hold power button until you will see here a black screen. So after, just release your finger from power button and you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.